हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन अड्डा। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे DDA-SO दिल्ली डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी सेक्शनल ऑफिसर हॉर्टिकल्चर एग्जाम 2017 में पूछे गए क्वेश्चन और उनके सोल्यूशन। स्टूडेंट्स, DDA-SO हॉर्टिकल्चर का लास्ट एग्जाम सितंबर 2017 में हुआ था और इसके बाद यह एग्जाम नवंबर 2020 में होने जा रहा है, जिसका सिलेबस और एग्जाम पैटर्न बिल्कुल पिछले एग्जाम के जैसा ही होगा, जैसा कि DDA-SO हॉर्टिकल्चर 2017 में पूछा गया था। इस एग्जाम में टोटल 120 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे, जिसमें से फ्लोरिकल्चर और हॉर्टिकल्चर मिला के 80 क्वेश्चन थे। इंग्लिश से 10, रीजनिंग से 10, एप्टीट्यूड से 10, जनरल अवेयरनेस से 10 क्वेश्चन थे। तो चलिए देखते हैं DDA-SO हॉर्टिकल्चर के लिए 2017 में कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे और उनके सोल्यूशन। स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक्यूरेट वे क्वेश्चन है जो एग्जाम में आए थे और आंसर जो DDA ने बताए थे। ये कोई मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस नहीं है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इंपोर्ट ऑफ सीड्स, प्लांट्स, प्लांट मटेरियल फॉर सोइंग, प्लांटिंग, प्रोपगेशन etc इज रेगुलेटेड बाय। ऑप्शन थे फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, द प्लांट्स, फ्रूट्स एंड सीड रेगुलेशन ऑफ इंपोर्ट इनटू इंडिया ऑर्डर, द डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंसेक्ट एंड पेस्ट एक्ट, प्लांट क्वारंटाइन अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया। So correct answer थे the plants, fruits and seed regulation of import into India order. Next question थे which of the following shrubs is grown as indoor flowering pot plant? Option थे Euonymus, Eclipha, Beloperon, Acacia. So correct answer थे Beloperon. Next question थे which garden is considered as genesis of gardening? Option थे Brindavan, Eden, Osaka, Hampshire. So correct answer थे Eden. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थे विच इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड मेथड फॉर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग ऑयल फ्रॉम फ्लावर्स। ऑप्शन थे सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन मेथड, पल्सिंग, मैसरेशन, डिस्टिलेशन। सो करेक्ट आंसर थे सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन मेथड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था फेरी रिंग डिजीज ऑफ लॉन इज कॉज्ड बाय द अटैक ऑफ। ऑप्शन थे इंसेक्ट्स, पैरासाइट्स, फंगस, नेमाटोड्स। सो करेक्ट आंसर थे फंगस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थे वेयर इज सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिसिनल एंड एरोमेटिक प्लांट लोकेटेड। ऑप्शन थे लखनऊ, बेंगलोर, न्यू दिल्ली, श्रीनगर। सो करेक्ट आंसर थे लखनऊ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थे बोगनविलिया कल्टीवार अर्जुना, अ म्यूटेंट ऑफ पाराथा, वाज इवॉल्व्ड बाय। ऑप्शन वाज गामा रेज 5 किलो, गामा रेज 50 रेड्स, गामा रेज 2 किलो, गामा रेज 250 रेड्स। सो करेक्ट आंसर वाज गामा रेज 250 रेड्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज टू व्हिच फैमिली डज बोगनविलिया बिलोंग। ऑप्शन वाज निक्टाजीनाceae, रोजाceae, Combartaceae, Apocynaceae. So correct answer was Nyctaginaceae. Next question was who has written Beautiful Gardens? Option was M.S. Randhawa, T.K. Bose, V. Swaroop, K.L. Chedda. So correct answer was M.S. Randhawa. Next question was chrysanthemum is propagated through. Option was hardwood cutting, budding, semi-hardwood cutting, terminal cutting. So correct answer was terminal cutting. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था विच ग्रुप ऑफ क्रिजैंथेमम कल्टीवार इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग एंड वेनी ब्रेसलेट। सो ऑप्शन वाज पंपून, स्टैंडर्ड, पोजी, स्प्रे। सो करेक्ट आंसर वाज स्प्रे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज कामिनी एंड शशांक आर द न्यूली डेवलप्ड कल्टीवार ऑफ। ऑप्शन वाज रोज, क्रिजैंथेमम, चाइना एस्टर, ट्यूबरोज। सो करेक्ट आंसर वाज चाइना एस्टर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज टू विच फैमिली डज ब्लेजिंग स्टार और गोल्डन स्टार बिलोंग। ऑप्शन वाज रोजाceae, Compositae, Euphorbiaceae, Lossaceae. So correct answer was Lossaceae. Next question was yellowing of lawn is due to. Option was insect attack, snowfall, fungus attack, waterlogging. So correct answer was waterlogging. Next question was from which medicinal plant is heroin drug produced. Option was Sarpagandha, Safed Musli, opium, Datura. So correct answer was opium. Next question was Japanese flower arrangement Ikebana is based on 3 main lines. 2 are heaven and man. Which is third one? Option was plant, animal, flower, earth. So correct answer was earth. Next question was which is the main producing and exporting country of senna leaves, pods and senosides concentrate in the world? Option was India, China, Italy, Germany. So correct answer was India. Next question was area of garden devoted exclusively to shrubs is known as. Option was hedge, edge, shrubbery, border. So correct answer is shrubbery. Next question थे at what temperature can the dormancy of kernels of gladiolus be broken by storing for 3 to 4 months? Option was 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, 1 to 2 degrees Celsius, 5 to 6 degrees Celsius, 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. So correct answer was 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Next question was, in bonsai, which type of container is good for cascade style? Option was round, oval, square, rectangular. So correct answer was rectangular. Next question was, Gladiolus hybrids Aspera produces a spike length of. Option was 90 cm, 80 cm, 97 cm, 83 cm. So correct answer was 97 cm. Next question was, which is a well-known cardiotonic? Option was Eucalyptus, Digitalis, Cinchona, Periwinkle. So correct answer was Digitalis. Next question थे, which of the following is not the principle of landscaping? Option was balance, ascent, line, simplicity. So correct answer was line. Next question was, what is the best time of planting of gladiolus in northern plains? Option was January, February, July, August, September, October, December, January. So correct answer was September, October. Next question was, which is an ideal ornamental plant for making good dwarf ornamental hedge? Option was Aclephas species, Acacia farnesiana, Calendra tweediana, agave species. So correct answer was Aclephas species. Next question was, what is the optimum concentration of sucrose for pulsing gladiolus? Option was 25%, 10%, 20%, 5%. So correct answer was 20%. Next question was, running water in the form of lantern and fountain is the main feature of. Option was Japanese garden, English garden, Mughal garden, Italian garden. So correct answer was Mughal garden. Next question was, Begum Ali Yawar Jung is a variety of. Option was coxcomb, carnation, gladiolus, bougainvillea. So correct answer was bougainvillea. Next question was, which plant is used as ground cover having a green color foliage? Option was Irisine lindeni, Kufia gerlonica, Ipomia tricolor, Duranta goldiana. So correct answer is Kufia gerlonica, whose gum resin is used as a remedy to reduce cholesterol content in blood. Option was Isabgol, Dill, black henbane, Google. So correct answer was Google. Next question was, art of turning plants into shape of different statues, birds or animals is known as. Option was border, hedge, edge, topiary. So correct answer was topiary. Next question थे, wild garden was expounded by William Robinson in. Option थे 19th century, 18th century, 20th century and 17th century. So correct answer was 19th century. Next question थे, in Azalea, flowering initiation is stimulated through photoperiod control and a spray of growth retardant. Option थे SADH at the rate 1000 ppm, Psychocell at the rate 500 ppm, Psychocell at the rate 2500 ppm or malic hydrazide at the rate 1000 ppm. So correct answer was Psychocell at the rate 2500 ppm. Next question थे, what is the isolation distance for seed production in cross-pollinated flower crops? Option थे 500 meter, 200 meter, 50 meter to 100 meter, 1000 meter. So correct answer was 1000 meter. Next question was, which is the red color variety of anthurium? Option थे Lima, Aishi, Sunburst, Champion. So correct answer was Aishi. Next question was, to which family does Azadi recta indica, that is neem, belong? Option was Rosaceae, Meliaceae, Sapindaceae, Casalpinaceae. So correct answer was Meliaceae. Next question was, Antigon leptopus bear flower in September, October having color of. Option was pink, yellow, blue, white. So correct answer was pink. Next question was, the height of mem bonsai should not be more than. Option was 30 cm to 35 cm, 5 to 15 cm, 20 to 25 cm or 2 to 5 cm. So correct answer was 5 to 15 cm. Next question was, what is the ideal pH for rose growing? Option was 8 to 9.5, 2 to 3.5, 6 to 7.5 and 4 to 5.5. So correct answer was 6 to 7.5. Next question was, which of the following is the largest exporter of cut flower in the world? Option was Netherlands, Japan, Germany, Colombia. So correct answer was Netherlands. Next question was, which is an early blooming annual? Option is Alyssum martimum, Mathiola, Althea rosea, Arbonia umbellata. So correct answer was Alyssum maritimum. Next question was, what is the optimum room temperature for pulsing? Option was 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 20 to 27 degrees Celsius, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius or 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. So correct answer was 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. Next question was, which is the first plant cloned by tissue culture? Option was gerbera, carnation, lilium, orchid. So correct answer was orchids. Next question was, calyx splitting is the physiological disorders associated with. Option was gerbera, tuberose, carnation, orchid. So correct answer was carnation. Next question was, what is the planting distance of polyanthus rose? Option was 90 centimeter, 1 meter, 45 centimeter, 120 centimeter. So correct answer was 45 centimeter. Next question was, the ideal range of temperature for indoor plant is around. Option was 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So correct answer was 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Next question was, at present, which Indian state has maximum area under floriculture? Option was Karnataka, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. So correct answer was Karnataka. Next question was, what is the percentage of Ascocenda hybrid of orchid? Option is Ascocentrum cross Vanda, Aerides cross Vanda, Catalia cross Esphronitis, Arachnis cross Vanda. So correct answer was Ascocentrum cross Vanda. Next question was, which medicinal plant is known as second Shilajit? Option was Safed Musli, Isabgol, Asparagus, Senna. So correct answer was Safed Musli. Next question was, what is the seed rate requirement of China aster for 1 hectare area? Option was 2.5 kg to 3 kg, 1.5 kg to 2 kg, 3.5 to 4 kg, 4.5 to 5 kg. So correct answer was 2.5 to 3 kg. Next question was, devil's tree or Septaperni is the common name of. Option was Alstonia, Scolaris, Araucaria cookie, Azadirachta indica, Albizia lebec. So correct answer was Alstonia scolaris. Next question was, rose cultivar abhisarika is a mutant of cultivar. Option was Superstar, Banjaran, Kiss of Fire, Guljar. So correct answer was Kiss of Fire. Next question was, the oblique style of bonsai is also known as. Option was Kyokko, Kingai, Chokkan, Hankan. So correct answer was Hankan. Next question was, the rose variety of Mrinalini has been developed by. Option was IIHR, IARI, US, Bangalore, NBRI. So correct answer was IARI. Next question was, Eve's apron is the common name of. Option was Ficus roxburghi, Juniperus chinensis, Ailanthus excelsa, Kinglia pinnata. So correct answer was Ficus roxburghi. Next question was, sign, shoe and hike are the feature of. Option was bonsai, hanging basket, ikebana, pot culture. So correct answer was ikebana. Next question was, to which family does Safed Musli belong? Option was Apiaceae, Solanaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Euliaceae. So correct answer was Euliaceae. Next question was, in Japanese flower arrangement, sign is placed with angle of. Option was 30 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So correct answer was 15 degree. Next question was, which is the most efficient irrigation method for growing flowering crops? Option was sprinkler irrigation, trench irrigation, flood irrigation, drip irrigation. So correct answer was drip irrigation. Next question was, gerbera can be grown in a red loamy soil with soil pH. Option was 7.5 to 8.5, 3.5 to 4.5, above 9, 6 to 6.5. So correct answer was 6 to 6.5. Next question was, which of the following fungicide is used to prevent a rose plant from dieback disease? Option was Captan, Sulfex, Rose paint, Bavistine. So correct answer was rose paint. Next question was, in roses, vitamin C is found in. Option was stalk, petals, pods, rose hips. So correct answer was pods. Next question was, IBA treatment has been reported to increase a rooting percentage in hardwood cutting of Bougainvillea thyma at concentration of. Option was 1000 ppm, 2000 ppm, 200 ppm, 500 ppm. So correct answer was 2000 ppm. Next question was, pinching is required in. Option is dahlia, tuberose, gerbera, rose. So correct answer was dahlia. Next question was, Araucaria cocci is highly suitable for planting as. Option is screening, avenue, group, specimen. So correct answer was specimen. Next question was, which mode of indoor gardening was developed by Dr. Nathaniel Ward? Option was jar and bottle gardening, terrariums, gardening in tubs and urns, hanging basket gardening. So correct answer was terrariums. Next question was, which medicinal plant is effective for the control of blood pressure? Option was Catharanthus rosas, Rolfia serpentina, Cassia augustifolia, Vidania somnifera. So correct answer was Rolfia serpentina. Next question was, Dimorphotheca is a very good for. Option was bedding and pots, hanging basket, ground cover or lawn. So correct answer was bedding and pots. Next question was, which is the following has violet color foliage? Option was Dorantha repens, Gynura aurantiaca, Acalifa hispida, Myrtus mediopictus. So correct answer was Gynura aurantiaca. Next question was, which is the most commonly used shrub for making topiary? Option was Cassia glauca, Poinsettia pulcherrima, Clerodendrum inermi, Caliandra twidiana. So correct answer was Clerodendrum inermi. Next question was, what is the right stage of harvesting for distant market of gladiolus spikes? Option was tight bud stage, when all florets are open, when lower floret fully open, when lowermost floret shows color. So correct answer was when lowermost floret shows color. Next question was, in which month is the top dressing of lawn done? Option was February, December, July, April. So correct answer was February. Next question was, what is the optimum light requirement for Vanda genera of orchid? Option was 800-foot candle, 500-foot candle, 300-foot candle and 1000-foot candle. So correct answer was 800-foot candles. Next question was, which of the following is a narcotic crop? Option was isabgol, ephedra, poppy, vinca. So correct answer was poppy. Next question was, what is the botanical name of liquor rice or mulathi? Option was Papaver somniferum, Catharanthus rosas, Solanum virum, Glycyrrhiza glabra. So correct answer was Glycyrrhiza glabra. Next question was, French marigold is. Option was diploid, triploid, aneuploid, tetraploid. So correct answer was diploid. Next question was, Axis is powerful in. Option was English garden, Japanese garden, Mughal garden, French garden. So correct answer was English garden. Next question was, for which style of gardening first the plan is made on paper and then executed in the field? Option was wild, informal, free, formal. So correct answer was formal. Next question was, informal aging is made from. Option was tiles, stones, concrete, plants. So correct answer was plants. Next question was, if double type cultivar of Gerbera is grown in poly houses, they produce approximately how many flowers per square meter area per year? Option was 200, 100, 400, 300. So correct answer was 200. Students, up next रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, एप्टीट्यूड, जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स देख सकते हैं और उन्हें सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपने वीडियो को अंत तक देखा है तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और ऐसे ही नॉलेजफुल और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए।